Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? Touch and go, 45A. But we're not here for this. We are here for this. You will hear the world's loudest garage door opener you have ever heard in your life. First, we're going to open up this one. Where's the button for that one? Okay, just listen to that. Smooth. It's got the tube rail on there. Reminds me of the old Stanleys. All right, get ready to close your ears. Oh, 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 oh. Help, I'm deaf. Oh. Hey. You want to hit the buzzer again? Hit that buzzer again. Go ahead. Again? Again? I know. That's okay. Hit it again a couple more times. Come on. Okay, I am officially deaf. My ears hurt bad. And I gotta take a walk now. That was absolutely insane. I've never heard anything like that in the history. I've been doing this 31 years. That is the loudest, screechiest, scratchiest opener that it's just unbelievable. I'm gonna have to somehow hire someone to do a before and after video, or a 2 videos side by side, because that was just insane. So if you want to get rid of the scratchy opener, the loud opener, call 630-271-9343. We'll whisper on the phone so your ears don't pop off your head. Thank you for watching the world's loudest garage door opener, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching, and we will talk to you on the next one.